Look at that. Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So one of my best friends, her daughter is turning 14 this month. Well, obviously this year, but also this month. And I wanted to make her something for her room for decorative purposes. You know, just something nice. And I thought about making her a makeup tray. She's 14, so obviously she's into makeup and may start to be more into it as she grows older. So her favorite color is teal. I do not have any teal mica powders, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix equal parts of blue and green to get teal. And then I've also got, this is the week for Larissa glitters, apparently. I've got holographic teal green glitter as well. And the plan is I'm going to lay that down as the base layer. And then once that's cured, I'm going to add her, her monogram in the middle with vinyl and then do a clear top coat. I'm not going to be putting handles onto this one. Instead, I think I'm going to try and find something to use as feet for the bottom that I will then most likely UV resin onto the bottom of the tray. So that is the plan. That's what we're going to do today. So probably another pretty quick video, although this one I do believe is probably going to be just a tad longer than Tuesday's video. Because we're doing more steps in this one. But anywho, that is the plan for today. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get it started. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. Told you guys I had a lot of this pink resin left. So I did a wine butler, I did a couple of ornaments, and I did 3 pyramids. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot of pink in the next week at least. Well, let's go ahead and unmold this beauty. Let's see how she looks. Well, bam! I mean, so pretty, so gorgeous. We knew she would be. Yeah. I will probably line this with silver. And, yeah. That's how she looks. What do you guys think? Anyway, that's your very stunning bonus unmolding. Alright, friends, it's cured. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I do have a little bit of extra right here. Totally fine. So easy to cut off. But let's go ahead and get this baby out. I don't know if you guys noticed. I certainly noticed. But when I poured the clear on this thing, it lit up. It was so pretty. Oh my gosh, it was, it just made it pop. You know what I mean? So yeah, like I said, I have some extra here. I'm just going to cut that off real quick with my X-Acto blade. Other than that, I don't see or feel anything that I'm terribly worried about. Let's look at the back. Wow. Look at that. Should I have taken it out of the mold and done this side? I don't know. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's stunning. I really like the swirls in this side. While it was curing, I just took a little stick and kind of dragged it through. I did that off camera, though. That was like an afterthought. But anyway. Okay, so the plan to finish this off is I'm going to edge it in silver. Hopefully I have enough paint in this pen. If I don't, then I will just use my silver alcohol ink and a paintbrush to paint it on. And then for the feet, I'm going to use these that I have. They're like fake plastic gemstone things, but they've got a flat top. My camera would like to focus on them. They've got a flat top to them, so I'm going to use the UV clear resin from Total Boat to attach to the bottom of the tray. And I'm going to do both of those off camera. You don't have to watch those. So I guess this is goodbye for me. And it's hello to the glamour shots for you guys. But yeah, so this was a really fun project. I struggled a little bit with the monogram because I did it once in silver and I absolutely hated the way that it looked. And then so I went back and did it again in black, and I really like the black. But the reason I'm a little, I don't know, kind of thrown off about the monogram is that even though it is centered, because the J for the middle name is slanted this way, it appears to be like, I guess, not as filling as the K. Does that make sense? So like this is where the J ends and this is where the K ends, which are even on either side. But because it's slanted, it looks like there's more room on this side. But other than that, I think it turned out fantastic. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, please. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. It really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new and you enjoyed today's video, feel free to stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.